Are you currently on a student visa or a 485 visa holder and want to bring your partner from offshore or want to include your partner onshore? You are watching a very right video. Hey guys, my name is Thara Sajwani. I'm a registered migration agent, and today we are gonna dig in about partner visa. There are mainly two types of temporary partner visa. Number one is a student subsequent entrant, if the main applicant is on a student visa, they can include their partner either offshore or onshore on their visa and become a subsequent entrant. Their partner becomes a subsequent entrant. And number two is a 485 visa holder who wants to include their partner offshore or onshore on their 485 visa. So that is another type of temporary partner visa. So mainly partner visas are judged on quite few aspects. Number one is relationship. Financial interdependence is the most important aspect they pay attention to. Social, what are your relationship statuses, online, on Facebook, Instagram, or wherever, and what kind of evidence you can produce to prove your relationship. But financial plays quite a crucial role in this. There is no as such a number, but what we recommend, if you want to prove your financial aspects, you should have an interdependence, like maybe you sending your partner a small amount of money to your home country, or she's sending you some money here. That is shown as a financial interdependence. You can also prove your financial interdependence by making each other a beneficiary in your insurance. You can also add, as you all know, in Australia, there is superannuation. So you can make your partner either offshore or onshore as your beneficiary. This is also very good evidence to show your relationship. So the relationship is the only aspect, basically, it is crucial because you will show how you guys are connected with each other and why you want that partner to join you in Australia. So relationship is everything. In that you can show your marriage certificate, your de facto relationship or civil relationship certificates. There are quite few in Australia. If your partner is onshore, you need those certificates to prove your relationship. The processing time for partner visa quite a lot, to be honest. They can vary between 4 to 8 months. We recently had one grant. It took good 4 months, but the applicant was back in Sri Lanka. Refusal can happen for various reasons. If department finds out that this relationship is not genuine, there is no or very little financial interdependence, they might refuse the visa. Mainly, these type of visas are highly refused on a student visa. If you want to add your subsequent entrant from offshore, student visa subsequent entrant has a high refusal rate. In current scenario, student visa subsequent entrant has highest refusal, I would say 60%, over 60%. But with 485, the refusal rate is quite low. So you should be fine if you have all kind of evidences. Yes, the level of country takes a huge role. Because suppose, let's say your partner is in India. That means India, we all know India is a high-risk country. So there will be more scrutiny in your application. If your partner is in Sri Lanka or Fiji, then the scrutiny reduces and then you won't have a lot of problems. Or you don't need to provide a lot of evidences. So if you have more than 2, 3 or even 4 refusals, you are still eligible to apply. There is no such limit. So it really depends on what difference you make in your application. So if you don't want another refusal, make sure you provide more evidences and focus on your refusal letter, what sort of evidences they are asking you to submit. There are no such legal or immigration changes as now, but what we suggest as a migration agent, if you think that if you do not have enough evidences of your relationship while you are on a student visa, kindly don't include your partner in your student visa. What you can instead do is, when you apply for your 485, you can include your partner in your 485 visa. Until then, you can make sure you accumulate as many evidences as you can. So 485 would be your best bet if you want to include your partner from offshore or even onshore. So yes, so your partner can work full time if she gets your 485, she gets 485 on your basis. But for student visa, it quite differs. If you are doing a master's degree or higher education, master's or above, that means level 9 or above, in that situation, your partner will have full-time working rights. But let's say you are doing a trade course, diploma course, or even a bachelor's, your partner will have only 24 hours per week working rights with your visa. So let's talk about the documents you need if you want to include your partner offshore. Let's say you are applying for 485 visa. So your basic documents are straightforward: your passport, national ID, AFP, federal police check, your PT score, and your SOP, statement of purpose, why you want your partner to be joining you while you are in Australia. And from your partner's side, we need to provide a lot of relationship based evidence, like your marriage certificate. If you have any child, the birth certificate of that child. We need to show the financial interdependence. We need to show chat history or how you were connected while you were away. And the very basic documents of your partner, like identity documents and national ID, that kind of documents are needed. So if we talk about the cost for including subsequent entrant on your 485 is, firstly, your charges are $18.95, that's your department fees, and the next one $950 for each dependent above 18 years you include in your application. It's $950. So at Soul Migration, we do specialize in partner visa. So if you think you are in any similar situation and want to invite your partner from offshore or even onshore, we at Soul are very happy to help you. Our charges for partner visa starts from $700, and it really depends on your case. So if you think you have any such queries or question, we have put a link of a form below. Feel free to fill that form, and one of our team member will be in touch with you. And thank you for looking with this video, and keep sharing and keep subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.